Well, good morning again, guys. Today we have a little bit of a bonus video. Honeylene is going to show us how to make fried bread rolls.
This morning, I'm gonna make some toasted bread roll. It's one of his favorite Filipino breakfast. So, samahan niyo ako mamaya. So, the main ingredients are plain bread, eggs, breadcrumbs, hot dog or ham, and cheese. First, we need to cut the edges of the bread. So, ito, isa-set aside lang muna natin. Pwede natin itong i-dip then sa egg and then fry. So, hindi sayang. So, next step, we'll flat the bread. So after we flatten the breads, we're gonna crack 2 eggs, I think, to so we can dip the bread there. So one of the ingredients that we forgot to show you is the ham, the main ingredient. So, eto na, gagawin na natin. So, eto na yung breadcrumbs na dito natin i-dip yung bread na may egg. I think we'll put some more. Okay, that's enough. So, need natin ng toothpick para hindi siya pag prinay is intact pa din siya. So, kailangan natin ng toothpick. So, we need the bread and then the ham and then the cheese. And then we need to roll it. Gentle, kasi ayaw natin ma-break yung bread. Yep. So, dip it in the egg first. Dip it like that. Dip it, and then breadcrumbs. Just to cover the bread. And then we'll put a toothpick para hindi lang siya mag-break pag pinirito. So after natin ma-coat yung bread sa egg and breadcrumbs, it's ready for frying na. So, let's fry it. So now, we're gonna put some vegetable oil, which is canola oil. I'm using canola oil. I think lahat na natin para hindi masunog yung bread. Okay. Then, hintayin lang natin 1 minute yung oil before natin lutuin para saglit lang siya. So, sa amin sa Pinas, para malaman mong mainit yung mantika, ganito lang. Just feel with your hands. Like that. So, hindi pa siya mainit. So, hintayin pa natin. Mga ilang minutes pa. So, let's check it again. Okay, I think the oil is hot enough. So, it's ready for frying na. Let's try. Okay, that's good. So wait lang natin maluto yung side, yung kabilang side before natin tanggalin yung toothpick para lang mag-stick siya together. So remove na natin yung mga toothpick kasi I think pwede na siyang ibalik ka rin. Oh. So I think they're ready to come out. So we can turn the heat off now. Oh, look at that. Look at the cheese. That cheese.
Wow, they look fantastic. Well done. I hope they taste as good as they look.
I think so. I made this many times, so I think it will be good.
Let's go. Let's bite into them. Away we go.
Look at the cheese. It's melting. Ito talaga. Ito sa favorite namin. Kahit nung sa Pinas kami, ito yung lagi niyang request sa akin. Gawan siya lagi nitong bread roll for every breakfast. So, masarap naman kasi talaga siya. Sobrang sulit and affordable talaga naman. So guys, tara na. Kain tayo. Have your breakfast na rin.
Okay, here goes. Kalyoriksi. Look at that. I think I need more tissues. Yum. Thank you so much. That's a cup. Well, thanks, guys. That's it from us, from our garden. It's a beautiful autumn morning. We've really enjoyed it. Thank you to Honeylene for showing us how to prepare these tasty and very simple bread rolls. And if you like what you see and you want to encourage us, always press the subscribe button and the bell, and you'll be kept informed about everything that we're doing.
Yes, thank you so much. Unang-una sa lahat ng sumuporta sa first video namin, thank you so much. And sana tuloy-tuloy lang. And we will do our best to make more videos. So, hope you guys subscribe to our channel and see ya! Bye!
Yes, us.